Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. In this video, we shall discuss the solutions of exercise 11.2. Okay, so I have discussed the solutions of 11.1 and the concepts of this chapter in the earlier video. If you have missed watching it, then I would pin it up here in the I button. So you can click on the I button and watch those videos too. Now let's get started. So here is the first question in exercise 11.2. Evaluate the following. Okay, so you have learned trigonometric table, isn't it? So I also discussed a super trick to remember that table. Okay, so please do watch that video also. Now come on. Here we have sine 45 plus cos 45. So you have to find the value of sine 45 plus cos 45. So we know that sine 45 is nothing but 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 is also equals to 1 upon root 2. Okay, so this you can write it as they are like fractions. So simply you can add them. Okay, denominator is same. Numerator is 1 plus 1. Okay, so it is 2 upon root 2. This 2 I can write it as 2 root 2 multiplied by root 2, isn't it? 2 I can write as root 2 multiplied by root 2 divided by root 2. Okay, so here this root 2 and root 2 gets cancelled, so the answer you have is root 2. Okay, so sine 45 plus cos 45 is nothing but root 2. Clear? Now let us move on to the next question. Cos 45 upon secant 30 plus cosecant 60. Okay, so it is cos 45 degrees divided by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 60 degrees. Okay, so cos 45, direct substitution of the values again. Cos 45, we know it is 1 upon root 2. Okay, now what is secant 30? Secant 30, secant is nothing but the reverse of cos, isn't it? So cos 30, if you know, okay, secant 30 is 1 upon cos 30. Okay, so the same thing I can write it as secant 30 is nothing but 1 divided by cos 30. Okay, so cos 30, if you know, you can easily try to write out what is secant 30, right? So let us write it now. So secant 30 is equals to 1 divided by what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2. Okay, so going to numerator, this becomes 2 divided by root 3. Okay, so secant 30 is nothing but 2 divided by root 3, right? So let us write it here. So it is 2 divided by root 3 plus, now cosecant 60, the same logic, cosecant is nothing but the reverse of sine, isn't it? So if you know what is sine 60, then you can write what is cosecant 60, isn't it? So what is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is 1 upon root 3 by 2. So cosecant 60 is also equal to 2 by root 3. Okay, so let us write it here. It is 2 by root 3. Okay, now just see, so you have the values of all the trigonometric ratios which are mentioned here. Okay, now you have to simplify it. Okay, so let us simplify that now. So here in the denominator you can see you have two like fractions. Okay, 2 upon root 3 and 2 upon root 3. Okay, they are like fractions, so let us add them. So it is 2 upon root 3, 2 upon root 3 and 2 upon root 3. So this is 1 divided by root 2 divided by. So here the denominator will be root 3. Okay, and numerator will be 2 plus 2, which is 4. Okay, so let us write it. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so this I can write as 1 divided by root 2 divided by 4 by root 3. Okay, now simplifying, what happens, this is 1 by root 2. This fraction reciprocals when it goes to numerator. So it becomes root 3 divided by 4. Okay, so the final answer is root 3. 1 into root 3 is root 3 divided by 4 into root 2 is 4 root 2. Okay, so the final answer is root 3 divided by 4 root 2. Clear? So let us move on to the next question now. So next one is sine 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 divided by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus secant 30. Okay, so third bit, sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosecant 60, we have just discussed that it is nothing but the reverse of sine 60. Okay, so it is 2 by root 3. Okay, we have just discussed it. 2 by root 3 divided by cot 45. Cot 45 is the reverse of tan 45. Okay, so tan 45 is 1, reverse of tan 45 is again 1, plus cos 60. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2 minus secant 30. Secant 30 is what? Secant 30 is nothing but the reverse of cos 30. Okay. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 is nothing but 2 by root 3. Yes, we have discussed that also here. Isn't it? So chalo. So now this you have to simplify. Okay. So let us take LCM now. So here LCM of 2 and root 3 is nothing but 2 root 3. Okay. Here 1 you can write as 1 by 1. So here you have denominator 2 and here LCM is 2 root 3. So I have to multiply this with root 3, isn't it? So multiplying numerator with root 3, 1 into root 3 is root 3. Okay. Now here denominator is 1, here you have 2 root 3. So to equate the denominators, I have to multiply this 1 with 2 root 3. So numerator also will multiply by 2 root 3. So 1 into 2 root 3 is 2 root 3. Right? You have a minus, right minus. Now here you have root 3 and 2 root 3. So what is missing? 2 is missing, isn't it? So now the denominator to equate, I have to multiply it by 2. So numerator also I'll multiply by 2. So 2 2 is a 4. Right? Divided by, here also the same logic, right? So here it will be 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 4. Okay, so this is equals to, so it is root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3. Here this fraction, when it goes to numerator, it gets reciprocal. Okay, so you will have 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 4. Okay, so 2 root 3, 2 root 3 gets cancelled. Okay, so here also this entire thing and this entire thing gets cancelled because you have the same terms, 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 4. Okay, so 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 4. So it gets cancelled. So the answer is 1. Clear? So fourth bit you have 2 tan square 45. Okay, plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Okay, simple substitution of the values. 2 tan square 45. Tan 45 is 1. So tan square 45 is 1 square. Okay, plus cos square 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Minus sin 60. Sin 60 is 1 by, sorry, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, sin square is root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so this is nothing but 2 multiplied by 1 square is 1 plus root 3 by 2 whole square is nothing but 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 2 whole square is again 3 by 4. Okay, so these two gets cancelled, plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 gets cancelled. Okay, so what do you have? You have 2 ones are 2. Okay, so the answer is 2, right? So let us move on to the next one now. So the next question is secant square 60 minus tan square 60 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Okay, so simple substitution of the values again. So secant 60 is nothing but 2. Isn't it? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So secant is reciprocal. So secant will be 2. Okay, but you have secant square. So write it as 2 square minus tan 60 is root 3. But you have square, tan square 60. So this is root 3 square divided by sin 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, but sin square is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay, so cos square 30 will be root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, now simplify this. This is 2 square is 4 minus root 3 square is 3 divided by, here you have 1 by 4 plus root 3 square is 3 by 4. Okay, so simplifying, this is 4 minus 3 divided by, so these are like fractions, you can directly add them. So 1 plus 3 is 4 by 4. Okay, this gets cancelled. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, so secant square 60 minus tan square 60 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is 1. Okay, so next one, choose the right option and justify your choice. So you have to choose the right option. Before that, you have to solve this. Okay, so the first bit you have is 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. Okay, so 2 tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, divided by 1 plus tan 45 is 1, but tan 45 square is 1 square. Okay, so this is 2 divided by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1. right? So this you can write as 2 divided by root 3. Okay, so this 1 plus 1, it goes to denominator, so you'll have 2 root 3, isn't it? So this is, it gets cancelled, so the answer is 1 by root 3. Now just see what is 1 by root 3. For which value? For sine 60 will you get 1 by root 3? For cos 60 will you get 1 by root 3? Or for tan 30 will you get 1 by root 3 or sine 30? So clearly we know that tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Isn't it? So the answer is tan 30. Got it? Yes. So let us move on to the next one now. So here you have 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. Okay. So 1 minus tan square 45. Tan 45 is 1. Tan square 45 is 1 square. Divided by 1 plus tan square 45 is again 1 square. So 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So this is 0 divided by 1, which is 0. Okay. So this is direct answer. You have D as 0. Okay. So option D. Next one. Here you have 2 tan square 30, 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. So 2 tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. So 1 by root 3 square. Okay, so it is 2 divided by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, root 3 square is 3. So this is 2 divided by root 3. Take LCM. This is 3 minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, so this you can write as 2 divided by root 3 multiplied by this fraction. If it goes to numerator, it becomes reciprocal. So it is 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so this gets cancelled. Now this is 3 divided by root 3. Okay, you have 3 divided by root 3. This 3 you can write as root 3 multiplied by root 3, isn't it? 3 you can write as root 3 multiplied by root 3 divided by, you have root 3. Okay, so 1 root 3, 1 root 3 gets cancelled. So the answer is root 3, right? So root 3 value is what? Root 3 is nothing but tan 60. You can write it as root 3. So here tan 60 you have in option C, right? So the concepts of this chapter I have explained very clearly in the concept video. Okay, so here we are just substituting the value to get the answer, right? So come on, let us move on to the next question now. Evaluate sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60 degrees. What is the value of sine 60 plus 30? Okay, what can you conclude? Okay, so firstly let us evaluate this value. So it is sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. Evaluating this value, sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Okay, cos 30 is 1 by, is root 3 by 2. Okay, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Right? So multiplying root 3 gives me 3. Okay, so 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1 divided by 4. Okay, so it is 4 by 4. The answer is 1. Right, now let us take this value sine 60 plus 30. So sine 60 plus 30 degrees. Okay, so what is 60 plus 30? It is nothing but 90. So what is sine 90? Sine 90 is 1. Okay, so from this you can see sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60, you got it as 1, and also sine 60 plus 90, you got it as 1. So from this we can conclude that these two are equal, isn't it? So let us write the final conclusion here. So we can write sine 60 plus cos 30, sine 60 plus cos 30, sine 60 cos 30, isn't it? So yeah, so just see here, sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. Okay, so it is nothing but sine 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sine 30 is equals to, you have sine 60 plus 30. Okay, so you can conclude this from the two answers, right? So I hope you understood the problems which I have discussed in this video. I'll meet you in the next video with the remaining problems, and do like this video and share this channel to all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.